it is what it is. But these, for the exhaust side, I have not yet put the retainers in these. But what I will do is go ahead and put the rocker arms. So right here, what we're gonna do is, since we already got the springs and retainers in the cylinder head and ready, what we're gonna do is start to put the rocker arms on. But before I do that, I will well grease these in some assembly lube, ultra slick engine assembly lube, ultra slick assembly lube, engine assembly lube, whatever. Hey, you know, you need some grease, some oil, something to put all this together. So we're gonna try to speed this process up, so this can be kind of quick. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Is that a task there within itself? But I'm not gonna worry about that now. Just gonna clean up some of this area. Not real anal about what's dirty, but you know, you want to try to keep some things a little clean. What's up, buddy?
What did you do?
Thank you, dear sir. So we're gonna hit this with some of this engine assembly lube here. Yeah, go ahead, Rebecca. Yeah, Aubrey, go ahead, Aubrey. Okay. Back to regular scheduled programming. Let's get our hex. We put our sockets back in here on the side. 1, 2. There's a third one on intake side, right by the VTEC solenoid. All right, so let's go ahead. Oh, I believe one of those had more wash. So we're gonna go ahead and put these Put these back in their spats. I had 2 of them that did not have washers, but go ahead, lock those down. What's up, buddy? Go upstairs and wash your hands. Upstairs. Okay. Okay. Mhm. All right. Well, let's get our hex. Put these back in here. All right, so hex, let's tighten these up. Also ordered my B series VTEC solenoid. Which that should be here soon. And as far as that, only thing I have to do is get the valve cover for this guy here. All I'll need is a valve cover next. I'll be done. Alright, so let's get back to it. Don't forget to drop these dowels. I'm not exactly sure what the name of these are, but it definitely keeps the rail that holds the rocker arms in place. So well, maybe I should have did this first before I put them caps on to lock those rails down. Yep. Believe I should have did that first. But hey, we live and we learn. So I don't believe I showed cams and any of the videos after everything was cleaned off and I just put back together. Here's the other one. Cleaned and ready to go. I will be taking this this dowel back off just to reinsert the center donut O-ring that sits in the middle of the head. Bring that this way. Right here. Do not have that O-ring just yet, but I will order and I'll just reinstall it. Just try to take out some time to do this. Yes, princess. And it never fails. We're back. Some people may get mad that I'm going to use this impact drill, but it's mine, not yours.